throughout the intro, I'm using the left hand to create the chords that are going on here, and they're really just what you might call power chords or fifths. Since I'm in drop D tuning, I can just hammer these on like that, or you can get the octave as well. And so that's pretty much all that's going on over there, and then the rest of it is pretty much percussion. And I use the right hand down on the lower bout of the guitar to get some of these percussive ideas. So that's the beginning. And then the only other thing that's in playing some notes here would be the slap harmonic on the 12th fret that I do. And there's also 19 up here that I do. Like that. And 19. So the first section there that's going on, hammer on the bass here on the 2nd fret. It's like an E power chord. And then you're going to do ring, middle, and index fingers on the side of the guitar, down the lower bout here. Then you hit the face of the guitar with the left hand. And you pretty much just do that again, like that, except it's kind of syncopated that time. And then the palm of your hand is going to hit the side of the guitar up here, upper bout. And then the 3 fingers are going to hit together on the side of the guitar. Like that. And just, that's the thumb. Dun, da, 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 thumb side, and slap harmonic. When you do a slap harmonic, I use the middle finger. Some people use the index, but I find the middle finger is what I like. And it's just right over the 12th fret, the actual fret. And you just need to bounce kind of right off of it. Like that. Starting with the E power chord hammer on, do the 3 fingers down here, hit the face of the guitar with the left hand, and then the thumb hits the face of the guitar here, and then the side up here with the left. Slap harmonic. Okay. In the verse section of drifting, the rhythm is pretty much the same still with the left hand, but the right hand starts to do some melodic ideas. So maybe I could play it slowly and then explain what's going on there. So that's the first bit of the verse. And so what the right hand's doing is tapping this F sharp. It's the 3rd fret, or I'm sorry, the 11th fret on the 3rd string, right here with the index finger. And that's going to come immediately after the power chord hammer-on thing here, like that. And then I'm going to pluck the 1st string with the ring finger, and then the 2nd string with the middle finger. And then when I pluck that 1st string, I'm also going to hit the face of the guitar up here. Like that. And I'm going to pull this off to the open G and hammer on the E down here again, so you get like a E minor chord. Okay. And the 3 fingers are going to hit here. And this is kind of taking the place of that. We were doing that before. Just going to hit the face of the guitar here. Hitting the side of the guitar with the open palm. Okay? Do that just slowly here one more time. Okay? And the right hand is going to come down to the 6th fret here on the 3rd string. I'm going to hammer on the 5th fret on the 2 low strings here. Pluck the open 2nd string. And now we're going to do a down strum. And when I do strumming with my hand without a pick, I go down with the backs of the nails and up with the thumbnail. So we're just going to go down with the fingers like that. And you're also going to hit the face of the guitar with the left hand. Okay? go back onto that 6th fret again on the 3rd string, and the left hand is going to hammer 7 now, so you're kind of crossing your hands here a bit. I've had a couple of mid-air collisions in my lifetime here. Okay, so 6, hammer on those 7s, pluck the 1st string, side of the guitar, middle finger, open 2nd string. Okay, so let me just show you that bit one more time slowly. One more time. Okay, so maybe that whole group one time, okay? There's one more sort of section to the verse which I could just show you. That it's pretty much the same, but there's a little variation up here where I slide the index finger from 11 to 12 back to 11. Okay, so maybe I can show you that. Okay, so the first one was, and the second one is. So pretty much the same, but just going like that. So here's the little variation on the second time through on the verse. Going from 11 to 12 to 11, little slide up and down, plucking those high strings again, just like that. Okay, so the first time it was, and this time. Okay, so that's the little variation there. It's all pretty much the same down here. We're going to hammer on the E down here again, and 6, and it's going to be same rhythmically as we were up here when we did 11, but just down here on 6 now. Just like that. 4th fret now on the 3rd string, crossing the fingers here a bit, and do this strum, and up to 9. 7 here. You're going to pluck the high string with the ring finger. And you're going to come down to 6 here. And you're going to hit the side of the guitar at the same time. Pluck the open 2nd string. All right, so slowly there, and that's. One more time. No, let me do it a little bit slower. Let's see. Okay, that's kind of the end of that section.